The princess lived inside a palace made of gold and silence, where every wall sparkled but every room felt empty. And even though she was surrounded by luxury, servants, and protection, she often felt like she was trapped inside a beautiful cage because her life was controlled by rules, expectations, and a destiny she never chose. And one stormy night, as heavy rain hit the palace windows and thunder echoed across the mountains, she stood alone in her chamber, staring at her reflection, wondering why she always felt like something terrible was waiting for her in the future. When suddenly she heard a faint sound, like a whisper coming from deep inside the palace walls, calling her name softly. And although she tried to ignore it, the sound became stronger, pulling her curiosity until she finally followed it through the empty corridors, past silent guards and forgotten doors, until she reached a hidden library that no one was supposed to enter, a place filled with ancient books covered in dust and secrets. And at the center of the room, there was something strange covered with black cloth. And as she slowly uncovered it, she saw a mirror unlike any she had ever seen, dark and ancient, almost breathing with energy. And the moment she touched it, the entire room went cold, and the mirror lit up with a strange glowing light, showing her reflection. But it was wrong, distorted, and shifting like it was alive. And before she could step away, the mirror suddenly flashed violently and pulled her into a vision, showing her lying unconscious in a dark forest while rain fell heavily around her. And she gasped and stumbled back in fear, realizing it was not just a reflection, but something much worse, something that was showing the future. And then strange glowing words appeared on the mirror, saying, "3 days left," and her heart stopped because she did not understand what it meant, but deep inside she felt the truth pressing on her mind like a heavy weight, and she tried to scream, but no sound came out, as if the palace itself was silencing her. And when guards rushed into the room after hearing movement, they saw nothing unusual, only her standing frozen in front of an ordinary mirror. And that was when she realized that no one else could see what she saw. And from that moment, her life changed completely because she knew she was being watched by something invisible, something that had already decided her fate. And that night, she could not sleep, as every sound in the palace became louder, every shadow became darker, and every ticking clock felt like a countdown to something terrible. And the next time she looked into the mirror, it showed her another vision, a royal dinner table where she was sitting peacefully while someone placed a poisoned drink in front of her. And her hands trembled as she realized that even her own palace was not safe. And the next day, she refused to eat anything prepared by the royal kitchen, which confused the king and queen, who thought she was acting strange, but she could not explain anything without sounding insane. And as the second day passed, the mirror showed her more terrifying visions, a shadow following her in the forest, a fire consuming the palace, and her own lifeless body lying in darkness. And every vision felt more real than reality itself, and she began to believe that death was not something she could avoid, but something already written. And on the third night, she made a desperate decision to escape the palace before fate could reach her. So she put on a dark cloak and slipped past the guards under the cover of darkness, running into the cold forest where the moonlight barely touched the ground. And as she ran deeper into the trees, the mirror she carried with her began to crack on its own, as if it was reacting to her fear. And she heard footsteps behind her, or maybe it was only the wind, but she did not stop because every vision had told her she would die if she stayed. And so she ran until her breath broke and her legs weakened, and finally she collapsed in a clearing where the mirror fell beside her, glowing faintly one last time. And in that moment, she saw the final vision, not of her death, but something far worse. She saw herself standing behind all the visions, controlling them, shaping them, creating every future she feared.
and suddenly everything went silent and the forest disappeared, and when she opened her eyes again, she was back inside the palace library, standing in front of the mirror as if nothing had happened, and the clock struck midnight, and the same words appeared again, 3 days left. But now she understood the truth, because the mirror was not showing her the future. It was creating it from her fear, feeding on her fear, and every vision she believed had already started becoming real. And the moment she realized it, the mirror cracked fully, and her reflection smiled, even though she did not. And the whisper returned softly, saying, "You cannot escape what you believe." And the princess finally understood that her greatest enemy was not death, not fate, not even the palace, but her own fear shaping reality itself. And in that final moment, she either broke the mirror completely and changed everything, or accepted the vision and became the next shadow inside it. And no one ever truly knew which choice she made. But in the palace, they still say that sometimes at night, the mirror glows again, waiting for the next princess who fears the future too much.